Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. I want to apologize to y'all in advance because the first half of this video got deleted. But I wanted to push through and still show y'all this bomb steak fajita crock pot recipe. It's super simple, super easy, delicious. Y'all, let me show y'all what I got. So I found this little can of Queso Blanco at the store. Never tried it, I wanted to try it out. And so it says put it in a little boiler, let it simmer for a few minutes on the stove. So that's what we're going to do. We could have did the microwave too, but of course we want to be fancy with our little boiler. So we're just going to let that simmer on the stove. We get a little melty, cheesy, all that. So y'all, let's just let it do what it do. And oh my gosh, y'all, look how cute this taco stand I got from Ross. Oh, it's so cute. I was like, when I saw it, I had to get it. So it just holds your soft shell or hard shell tacos on the front, and you could flip it over and it'll hold cheeses and dips and lettuce or whatever you want to put for your toppings. So I thought that was really cool. All right, y'all, so we're just going to fill our little soft shell tacos with our little steak fajitas. So in this recipe, it consists of salsa, steak strips, pineapple chunks, bell pepper slices, onion slices, 1 can of Rotel, and that's pretty much it for this recipe. But y'all can see how juicy that steak looks, all the colorful veggies you get from the bell peppers, and it only takes about 3 hours on high in the crock pot. So if you want to set it and forget it, this is a perfect recipe to do that. You could also try out chicken or try out shrimp. I was in the mood for steak, so I had to show y'all this steak fajita recipe. Y'all, let's add in some Mexican style blend of cheese. Go ahead and get that cheese on up in there. And of course, you could add other toppings like sour cream. If you want to add some lettuce to your fajitas, fix it up. Y'all, we're going to pour a little of this Queso Blanco on there and see what it's giving. It was okay. It wasn't giving restaurant queso, but it was good enough. It did the job. Would I try it again? Probably not. Should have went with Tostitos queso. But, like I said, this did what it had to do. So I'm just going to put that on a couple of them. But y'all, look how juicy. You see that juice is running right off the tacos, y'all. I had to clean up several times because it kept sliding out. That juice is everywhere. But that just means it's delicious, y'all. It just means it's delicious. So y'all, let's go ahead and get a cute little close-up on our steak. Oh yeah, we're also going to add a little bit of parsley for decoration as always. And we're going to be adding a little bit of lime pepper seasoning. You could also use lime juice from a lime. But we're just going to dab a little bit of seasoning on our tacos. And voila, there goes your steak fajita crock pot tacos. That looks so good, y'all. They were so good. I kept eating them back to back. But y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and try this recipe out. It's super easy. I want to hear what you think. But I will see you guys next time on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.